Guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Analysts here, and as you can see, this is my Paws allocation on the Biget web version, of course. So I'm going to show you what I actually withdrew, and as you can see right here, it's showing 6,547. So there is a lot of news now on Paws allocation. So if you haven't seen your Paws allocation, kindly subscribe to the channel and watch this video to the very end to know what you can do in order to get your allocation or how to sell your Paws. So basically, let me just go in to show you what I actually withdrew in the first place. So if you come to this place right here, you can see that what I withdrew is about 6,351.49 Paws. But with what they gave me was actually 6,500 and something. So 6,547, which is way more than what I actually withdrew. So this actually is an error, is a mistake from the exchange. I think after they took, I think they refunded the fee or something, because this was my actual allocation, but including minus the withdrawal fee. That's the reason why Paws said I will withdraw this amount right here, this 331 6,351,000. So of course, so as you can see, it's 6,351 Paws. So I think they removed the withdrawal fee. I don't know, maybe it's one of the benefits of actually depositing early. I don't know about that, but what I know is actually that those that deposited with Bybit, if you haven't still received the allocation, stay calm. And of course, if you haven't received the allocation for Bitget, Paws will be listed by 12 p.m. 11 a.m. UTC, 12 p.m. UTC +1, which is Nigerian time or West African time, as we know. So I woke up early this morning to hear that Paws redistribution has actually started for those that received with Bybit. So I was scared. I thought maybe they have removed my Paws. I came and checked. My Paws was the same, because Bybit made a very huge mistake, and they sent more than what most people deposited to their exchanges. So redistribution is currently ongoing. Let me just show you what I mean by redistribution. I will just show you, since it's not happening on my own end, so I will just show you. Okay, so as you can see right there, my token was redistributed. As you can see, you see Paws Airdrop. It was deposited yesterday by 8 a.m. 15th, and you can see it right here. And you see auto deduction, it was deposited today by 3 a.m. as you can see, and they gave me back the airdrop, but they minus, I don't even know what happened. They just gave me back the exact same amount, or am I not saying well? It's the exact same amount that they gave back to me. So they redistributed the exact same amount. So guys, please kindly check your exchanges, your Bybit exchange and other exchanges, to see if you have received. So right now, Paws is trending, and a couple of persons, as you can see, people are actually receiving theirs. Kindly check your unified trading section. Of course, don't be fazed by this amount. This guy has over 200,000 Paws, so don't be fazed. Kindly check your unified trading account to see. A lot of persons are getting their own redistributed, of course. So if you did not claim your Paws at all, because I am aware that a couple of persons actually waited for Binance listing. So if you haven't claimed your Paws at all, so all you have to do is just get your Solana ready. After the listing, on-chain claiming would start. Okay. All right. So this is an associate page of Paws, which is known as Paws Power or Paws Up Powered. So today at 10 a.m. UTC, an hour before official trading on exchanges, on-chain claim will be live for everyone. So if all you have to do basically is just get your Solana ready and be prepared for the on-chain claiming, which is starting by 10 a.m. UTC, an hour before listing. So this is one of the best plan compared to what we have seen with Memecoin and what we have seen very recently with Seed. What Seed does was actually they waited till after listing before they started doing all their rubbish. So basically, on-chain claiming will be starting by 10 a.m. UTC, which is 11 a.m. Nigerian time. So all you guys have to do is get ready, get your minimum of 0.50 cents worth of Solana, or just get $1 worth of Solana and get it ready for claiming. So how do you claim actually? How you claim is basically when you go to this place right here. Okay, so when you go to this place, okay, I think is this aspect, the exchange aspect, not the exchange rather. Okay, this place right here, and sorry, is this place, so what you have to do is they will show you withdrawal method. This is for those who claim with exchange. Okay, let me just show you guys with an account that I haven't claimed yet. All right, so you can see right here, this is one of the accounts that I haven't claimed yet. So calculation has been done, eligibility has been checked, and everything is checked. So I'm going to go to next. What I have to do is go to next. After you have gone to TG dashboard and this page is showing you, click on next, and then you see claim. As you can see, my location here is 1974. So if it's not worth anything at listing, there's no need for me to claim. So you have to, I think claiming, they said will be starting an hour before listing. On chain claiming, of course, I don't know how true that is, of course, but they said it will be starting an hour before listing. But as you can see, I confirmed from a post. They said they are not associated with Paws, but they give insider information. So what you basically need to do is click on claim, and after you've done that, you accept the terms and condition. Please do not panic if of course you deposited via exchange and you still haven't received your allocation. So after you accepted the terms and condition, so this is basically what you need to do now, is click on on-chain withdrawal, which currently is not available. So on-chain withdrawal, okay, pre-deposit has been suspended, on-chain withdrawal will be available later. So once that is, you click on on-chain withdrawal, and then you go to your Solana account and copy your Solana address, probably from your Phantom. Copy your Solana address, or basically I think you connected. So since you've already connected your Solana address to your Paws, what you need to do is click on the claim and claim option, and automatically it will be claimed to the Solana address that is linked to your Paws account. So if you check, basically, let me just show you what I mean. All right, so I can't really show you right now because, okay, I have to disconnect and reconnect again, so I have to exit. All right, it still didn't work even though I exited, but the wallet that you connected, so you have to remember the wallet that you connected to your account, to be specific. So you claim to that wallet, and then that will be it. And I know some of you must be wondering how I was able to make all my 6 accounts be eligible for Paws. Of course, I did not spend much, and I wasn't willing to like go all in into Paws. So all I did was I took it kind of serious. I mean, being eligible, I took it personal, but putting more effort into the Paws airdrop, I didn't. So I wished maybe I added a little bit of money like I do on other projects. But anyway, that's all water under the bridge. Let's just wait till the listing in the next 1 hour or so, and then we'll know what happens. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and of course join our WhatsApp community. The link will be in the description.